Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into UserTesting, a platform that lets you earn money by testing websites and apps. If you're curious whether it's worth your time, stick around. What it is. UserTesting is an online platform where companies pay real people to test their websites, apps, and products. The goal is to gather feedback on user experience so companies can improve their digital products. For testers, it's a way to make some extra income by sharing your thoughts. How it works. After signing up, you take a short qualification test to show your suitability for testing. Once approved, you can choose available tests, which usually involve performing tasks on a website or app while speaking your thoughts out loud. Each test pays anywhere from $5 to $60, depending on length and complexity. Payments are made via PayPal, typically within a week. Who it's for. This platform is perfect for anyone looking for extra money online, especially students, freelancers, or people with flexible schedules who can spare 10 to 30 minutes per test. What people are saying. Many users appreciate the flexibility, easy sign-up, and timely payments. Some users, however, mention that not every test is available in their region, and sometimes tests get rejected for minor errors, which can be frustrating. Red flags. While legitimate, earnings can be inconsistent, and you won't make a full-time income. Make sure to follow instructions carefully, as rejected tests won't pay. Pros. Flexible and easy to use. Pays fairly for short tasks. Simple sign-up process. Cons. Test availability varies by region. Occasional test rejections, not a steady full-time income. Recommendation. So here's my take. UserTesting is a trustworthy platform for earning extra cash in your spare time, but don't expect it to replace a regular job. And that's it for this UserTesting review. Let me know your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.